What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something really new. After 2 years of hiatus, the Oppo Find X series finally returns with the latest and greatest Find X8 Pro. Well, I never really had the chance to fiddle with the last model from Oppo, which was I think the Find X5. This series is pretty much very new for me. Let's have a look at the packaging right here. The thing that caught my eye, this hologram thing on the box which stretches all the way from the left to the right. Go all the way from both sides. Very similar to the camera design at the back. So I guess we'll figure it out pretty soon. It also feels very hefty, I must say. Very premium. Says Oppo AI phone Find X8 Pro up at the top here, and Oppo Hasselblad down at the bottom. On the side, same. This is the pearl white, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage space. Yeah, so I guess you could flood the phone with loads of photos. Let's do the unboxing. Oh, we don't actually need a knife because there's this green color tab right here. Just peel it off like so. You guys ready? I'm ready. Let's go. The usual box that consists of a free case, the SIM ejector tool, we have the quick guide, and manual book. That's all. This is the phone. Do we have anything else in there? USB-C to C cable and a charging brick. This charging brick is an 80-watt super VOOC charge. For Malaysia market, it's a 3-pin plug. The first impression of this Find X8 Pro. Wow. Look at that! And the Oppo Find X8 Pro is priced gracefully at only 4,999 ringgit. Alright, let's talk first impression. As mentioned earlier, this is the pearl white. So first impression, it feels really sturdy. Like I really like the form factor of this phone because it's very solid. Like on the side here, you'll see this gives me the OnePlus vibe, which is for you to silent your phone like a shortcut. Very clicky, very sturdy. On the right here, you'll see the volume rocker and also the power button. If you look closely right here, there's also this thing, this button right here. It's so subtle, I almost missed it. But this is actually like the iPhone 16 Pro Max shutter button. Press on this, it will turn the camera on and you can take photos. Zoom in, slide to zoom in, and slide to zoom out. Hasselblad camera system. On the camera side here, we see a Hasselblad logo in the middle, and then we see the hypertone. So this hypertone is basically color calibration from Hasselblad. Makes your photos looks really good. And for the lenses, there's a 15 to 135 millimeters lenses of choices, and all these lenses are 50 megapixels. Look at that. Nice. The bottom here, there's a USB-C, a SIM card tray, and of course speakers and mics. This phone looks really nice. Let's fire this baby up for the first time. Oppo. Let's go to the settings first of all and check out the specs for this phone. About device, we see the latest ColorOS 15 on the Oppo Find X8 Pro. As mentioned earlier, this is the 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage model. Processor is a MediaTek Dimensity 9004. Battery is at 5,910 milliamps, silicone carbon battery. Yep, the cameras we have right here. It's a front 32 megapixel and rear 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel. And it's a collaboration with Hasselblad. Of course, the display is a 6.78-inch Pro XDR display. Very beautiful indeed. Going through The smoothness of the new color OS gives me a very elegant and expensive feeling. But as of my first impression with the Find X8 Pro, it feels really solid on hand. I love everything about the display because it's a Pro XDR display, something like Mac would do. And then you have it in a phone, which is very crazy. Okay, let's talk about the things that I like about this phone. I love the matte finish on the back cover here. It gives me a very marble-like looking material. It's not a fingerprint magnet rare cover. Everything else on the side of the phone is very well polished. Absolutely no fingerprint at all. Of course, the camera design in the middle here gives me a very solid feeling. If you put it on the table, it doesn't wobble at all. Nicely done, Oppo. This could be a good comeback. Now, if you're able to try this phone out for yourself in any Oppo retailers out there at shopping malls and whatnot, be sure to get a glimpse of how it feels in your hand. It's so sturdy and feels like I could hold on to it forever. After unboxing this Find X8 Pro, it leaves me a very, very good impression. I can't wait to try and take photos and use this phone as my daily driver. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, a very in-depth video about the Find X8 Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed this very brief unboxing of the Find X8 Pro. Till then, stay safe. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.